Yo! Welcome back to our channel.
Yes, I Guy. We are here to make egg sandwich.
All of you, please watch this video. Like, subscribe and share. Okay? The ingredients are coriander leaves, 2 tomatoes, 6 eggs, 6 onion.
The other ingredients are 1 teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2.5 teaspoon of chicken stock, 2 pinch of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of oil. We can cut the onion. Let's start to cut onion. You should not chop the onion. You want to cut like this.
Should I help you?
Yes, I.
Thank you. Welcome. All of you look. In this way you have to cut the onion. Now I have cut the onion. Let's move off the cutting tomatoes. Okay? We can put this onion to the plate.
Tomato, we want to chop the tomato.
Next we can put the tomatoes in the plate. Next we have to cut coriander leaves. We can cut. Look, like this way you should cut the coriander leaves.
I will do.
Okay. ceased. We can put in chopped items into pan. Let's add all the ingredients. Chicken stock is very salt. Chicken stock is very salty. That's why we will be not adding salt. This masala will be set in 2 minutes. It's very tasty. Our masala is about to set. Masala is ready within 2 minutes. This is our tasty masala.
By that time, we boil the egg. Now we can remove the shell of egg.
Let's start.
Let's cut the egg into half.
May I cut one egg?
Yes, I will give this. Wait.
Let's arrange the bread in a tray.
Let's put the masalas on the bread. We arrange the masalas. Now put the egg on it.
So let's put the eggs. Let's arrange the bread. Again, we have to toast the bread in sandwich maker.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay. Let's arrange the bread in the sandwich maker.
sandwich is ready or not? Oh, yes, our sandwich is ready.